The NIO ET9 is not just another electric vehicle, it is the ultimate statement of how far automotive technology, luxury, and innovation can merge into one single creation, a car designed not merely to transport but to redefine the very meaning of mobility, a flagship land jet that has emerged from the ambitious vision of NIO, the Chinese automaker that has quickly positioned itself at the forefront of the global EV race, and with the ET9 they are clearly signaling their desire to challenge, and perhaps surpass, the likes of Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and even electric pioneers like the Tesla Model S and Lucid Air. Because this is more than a car, it is a rolling laboratory of future technology designed to show what the next decade of driving could look like, starting with its dramatic exterior, a sweeping four-door liftback form that combines the elegance of a limousine with the muscular presence of a grand tourer. Its design language crafted by Chris Thomason carries NIO's signature minimalist futuristic identity with fluid aerodynamic curves, sculpted shoulders, and an unmistakable front facade dominated by sharp LED headlights and sensor housings that reveal its autonomous ambitions, while its rear profile flows into a clean fastback finish that whispers both speed and sophistication. But the real story of the ET9 is not simply how it looks, it is what lies beneath, because this vehicle has been engineered on NIO's NT 3.0 platform, the most advanced the company has built to date, enabling a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain that delivers an astonishing 697 horsepower, more than enough to push this nearly 5.3-meter-long luxury sedan with ferocious acceleration and unshakable control. Yet it is not just about raw speed, it is about intelligent power management and an architecture that runs on a 900-volt system, the first in China, which supports ultra-fast charging up to 600 kilowatts, a number that is not just impressive on paper but translates to real-world usability where long charging stops could be replaced with brief pauses. And even better, NIO's revolutionary battery swap system allows the entire pack to be exchanged in just 2.5 minutes, giving ET9 owners the freedom to never worry about traditional charging if they prefer a seamless swap-and-go lifestyle. With the current 100 kWh battery delivering up to 650 km of range on the CLTC cycle, equivalent to about 404 miles, making it competitive with the longest-range EVs on the planet. But what truly makes the ET9 stand out is its chassis and suspension system called SkyRide, an intelligent hydraulic fully active suspension that reacts within milliseconds to road conditions, capable of raising, lowering, and stabilizing the car in ways mechanical suspensions could only dream of, a feature famously demonstrated by driving the car over speed bumps while carrying a champagne tower that remained perfectly intact, a party trick perhaps, but also a glimpse into how ride comfort and control have been revolutionized here. And alongside this is another industry first, a steer-by-wire system developed in partnership with ZF, eliminating the traditional mechanical steering column and replacing it with electronic signals, which not only saves space and allows for flexible cabin design but also unlocks entirely new levels of customization where the steering ratio, feel, and resistance can be adjusted in real time, making city driving feather light and highway driving rock solid, with redundancy built in for safety and the potential for even more advanced autonomous driving integrations in the future. Speaking of autonomy, the ET9 is armed to the teeth with sensors, featuring 31 in total including multiple LiDAR units, cameras, and a groundbreaking 4D millimeter wave radar that not only measures distance and speed but also elevation, giving the vehicle a three-dimensional awareness of its surroundings that few cars can match, all powered by NIO's Shenji NX 9031 autopilot chip which delivers performance equivalent to 4 NVIDIA Orin X processors combined, pushing the ET9's intelligence to levels that position it among the most advanced self-driving platforms in the industry. And yet while all of this tech is impressive, NIO has not forgotten that luxury is about the human experience inside the cabin, which is why the ET9's interior feels less like a traditional car and more like a private jet, hence why they call it a land jet. With expansive space, elegant materials, and cutting-edge digital displays for both front and rear passengers, rear occupants can enjoy reclining seats with massage functions, personalized climate controls, entertainment screens, and even fragrances designed to create an immersive sensory environment, while the car's ambient lighting, AR integrations, and synchronized motion systems allow it to simulate cinematic or gaming experiences when parked, literally transforming the car into a mobile entertainment lounge. And this blend of relaxation and immersion reflects NIO's philosophy that the automobile is not just a vehicle but a lifestyle space, an extension of the home and office, one that adapts to both work and play. But what perhaps makes the ET9 most compelling is the way it integrates all these innovations into a cohesive whole. Because there are plenty of cars with powerful motors, or long ranges, or luxurious interiors, but rarely do we see them converge with such harmony, and that is why analysts and enthusiasts alike see the ET9 as a true rival to the established titans of the luxury segment. and maybe even a glimpse into a future where Chinese automakers are not simply catching up but actually leading. NIO has deliberately priced and positioned the ET9 as an ultra-premium product, aiming not just at domestic buyers but at global markets where status, technology, and sustainability intersect, and by offering both traditional ownership and battery as A-service models, they are reinventing the customer experience, making high-end EV ownership more flexible and future-proof. So when you see the ET9 glide silently down the road, you are not just looking at another electric car, you are witnessing a rolling manifesto, a vision of what the next era of mobility could be, where comfort, intelligence, sustainability, and performance are not separate ideas but a single integrated promise. And while it may have begun as a celebration of NIO's 10-year anniversary, it has quickly become one of the most talked about flagships in the EV world, a car that dares to say luxury is not just about